Hey everybody, welcome to day one of Somatics in the Sunshine. Today we will do something really simple, somatic breathing with a body scan. You will need one chair. Make sure you can put your feet firm on the earth. I recommend bare feet, and if possible, do this outside. If that's not possible because it's too cold, just visualize that you're somewhere beautiful. I've actually got my feet on a piece of cloth because I don't want to get bitten by ants. So when you've got your chair, come to a comfortable seat. Spine is tall, and bring the shoulders up to the ears and tense them as much as possible, and then gently release them down. Palms can come to the knees, to the lap, even on the armrests of the chair that you're on if you've got them. And when you've got your comfortable seat, we will begin. Start to center in on your breath and close the windows of the eyes and tune in to your inner landscape. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Now do a deep inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Now bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Breathing into this space, conscious breaths. Then bring the awareness to the forehead. Even breathing. The awareness comes to the eyebrows. And then to the eye sockets. Bring the awareness to the eyelashes. And then the bridge of the nose. To the tip of the nose. And to the cheekbones. To the cupid's bow of the top lip. To the bottom lip. To the chin, and to the whole of the jaw. Now you bring your awareness to the sides of the neck and allow it to travel down and settle on the collarbones. Sweeping out to the top of each shoulder. And then down each arm, down the bicep, to the elbow crease, to the forearm, to the inner wrist, to the palms of the hands, and down each finger till you reach the tip. Then move the awareness to the tops of the fingers, leading to the tops of the hands, and back up to the elbow, up the triceps, and return to the tips of the shoulders. Connecting with the breath, your inhales and exhales. And bring your awareness to the heart space in the chest. Down to the navel, to the lower belly, then to the tips of the hip bones, either side. Allow your awareness to reach the tops of the thighs, tracing down each one to the kneecap, then to the shin bones, to the ankles, the tops of the feet, to the big toes, the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, and then to the little toe. Breathing deep. Now bring the awareness back to the heart space and travel back up to the face. Breathing in, breathing out. Knowing that your breath is your lifeline. You can always return your attention to it. Anytime you feel flustered or overwhelmed, the breath is always there to calm you and connect you to yourself. And then with a soft gaze, slowly open the eyes. Excellent. That was a lovely body scan, and I find when I do them, I feel this wave of relaxation passing through my body. It's a really great thing to do whenever you're feeling a bit stressed. If you're at work or on public transport, you can do it and no one would even know. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. We did have an accompaniment from the howler monkeys, if you could hear them, and I will see you again tomorrow for day 2. Take care.